Yo, what is going on YouTube? So you found this video because you're searching for some NBA 2K26 locker codes. Well, it is your lucky day, guys, because I've managed to find the best locker codes for 2K26. This is going to allow you to get tons of free VC. You can get 450,000 VC using a working locker code, and there's other things as well, guys. So before I show you these codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for newer and updated codes. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video and show you where to go ahead and get these locker codes for 2K26. Now, I was searching on Google and also watching other YouTube videos, and a lot of the locker codes don't even work, or they give you very little. So the ones that I'm going to show you the best, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your code, and then you can redeem them on your console or PC. So just go to www.crashcoupons.com. So just type it like this, Crash Coupons. Make sure you can spell. And once you go to Crash Coupons, you're going to see this web page with lots and lots of different pages of codes. So to speed up the process, you just use the search bar at the top and type in NBA. Apologies for the blurred focus on the camera. NBA 2K26. This is the locker codes page, basically, guys. And as you can see, there are thousands of different ratings, and there are a bunch of different codes. So there's a ton of things on this page. You can just have a look here, but this one is probably the best code. This is a VC code to get 450,000 for free. So this is a 2K26 code you can redeem no matter which platform you play on, and it is going to add 450,000 VC to your account, which is awesome. This is probably about $100 worth of VC. So once it allocates you a code, you can see it says here, your code is ready, and you need to basically unlock your code, guys. As you can see, these are limited codes. There's almost 1,000, but they are limited, guys. So you need to basically complete a task or two to unlock your code. So click on this button, and you're going to see this page here that tells you what you need to do, guys. It is super simple. Just make sure you read the instructions on this page. Long story short, you got to complete 2 tasks that you see. They're all completely free. Just make sure you read the instructions to complete them. And once you do that, I'm going to skip forward. I've already done it, but yeah, it will send you forward to Crash Coupons, and your locker code will be revealed. And you redeem it in NBA 2K26, and this one's going to give you 450,000 VC. So if you follow the instructions, complete a couple of those free tasks, whatever code you chose will be fully revealed. But yeah, that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons and find this page here, the 2K26 locker codes page, and just choose your code. If you need any assistance, let me know, guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.